Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to describe the logo that I created by myself, and it is a logo for new energy vehicles. And the center of the logo is a symbol of infinity, which refers the car have plenty of energy, and the inner circle looks like a tire, which refers the tire is ruled by the infinite power in the center. Moreover, the whole logo looks like a stairwell, which represent drivers can control the infinite power, right? Like control it. And moreover, the inspiration of the logo is from the form of cubic curve. It's from the form of cubic curve that really looks like a half of infinite sign. And then I have a original idea that to make an infinite sign by using cubic. And thus I think and after I've created an infinite sign, I think it's really cool to combine it with the cars, and which I did, and it become like this. So that can be a really good logo for the future car company that can use continuous energy for their car. And so in our mathematical aspects of the logos, it is formed by two circles. It is formed by two circles, two cubic curve, two hyperbola, and two absolute value graph. So as you can see, the inner circles is meant to be smaller than the outer circles. So thus I made the radius of the inner circles smaller than the outer circles, and then it creates the effect of the outer circles cover the inner circles. And for the absolute value graph, which is the two graphs that formed an X, you can see right here an X. And so in this example, the positive absolute value creates an upper V, which is this graph, and this is the graph. This is the equation. And also the negative absolute value creates a reflection of the positive one, positive one, like this. And then they combine each other and form an X. And the two hyperbola form the ornaments of the space between the inner circle and outer circles. So by increasing the coefficient right here, by increasing of coefficient of here, it makes the hyperbola be more wider. So then it becomes fixed to the space of here. And also more importantly, the infinite sign is formed by a positive cubic equation like this, and then a negative, and then its own reflection to x-axis, to x-axis, and then it just form, and then because I set up the domain of it, so I just make sure it won't be to be explored too high, too widely, and just making a restriction of how it meant to be, and also, by the way, instead actually all of this in this this equation included a restriction and domain, which you can see right here. It also means to keep the sign in a acceptable and fixed area. So and that's it. And that is my own and that is my own mathematics advanced assessment for creating a new logo video. Thank you for your watching.